Hello friends, let's learn SH digraph with Rikhil. S is having sound S, S. H is having sound Do you know when we put them together, they will make the sound sh, 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 shark. Shark, shake, shake, sheep, sheep, shell, shell, shine, shine, ship. Ship, shop, 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 shop. Let's see some more words ending with sh. Wash, wash, splash. Splash, fish, fish, dish, dish, trash, trash, brush, brush. Thank you for learning digraph with Rikhil. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more new videos and updates.